Learn quick and simple ways you can organize your orphan projects. Less searching, more time sewing. That's my motto. When it comes to your orphan projects, they kind of tend to start taking over everywhere they are. They take over your shelves, the stacks, the drawers, you name it. They spread quicker than anything I have ever found. Quicker than fabric, which actually is kind of funny. I'm kind of amazed that such simple things can make a big difference in how you store those projects. Plus, it affects how you feel about them as well. Overwhelm is one problem when you have so many orphan projects on your list. Keeping them organized or having a system for them really does help a lot. You'll find that you can be excited about them again once they're under control and organized just a little bit better. Even picking one thing from the 5 to start with will help. So which one are you going to start with? Let's get going on the 5 ways to organize your orphan projects. So first one is use a clear container, box, or baggie to contain it all. So make sure your instructions are included. That's most important. Using a clear container is really great because you can kind of see inside and know exactly what is there. A flat top containers are the best because then you can stack them as well. Ziploc baggies and like sheet containers with zippers, those are okay. I do use them, but they tend to slide everywhere and they aren't very friendly for keeping like your rulers and templates because they poke through and get lost, make a hole. And if your project calls for something special and it's no longer in there because of that, that can cause some more problems. Use tracking sheets. I've mentioned this before. I've got a free tracking sheet for orphan projects on patchworkposse.com. They come in so handy when it comes time to work on that orphan project. You can keep one in a place in the box or container, whatever you have, and one next to the sewing machine or in a 3-ring binder or folder system. So you can kind of quickly flip through the project sheets, remember what is next, choose the next project, and go and work on it. Number 3 is keep them organized by time, possibly. Are there projects you'd like to get done that are more time sensitive or you want them done before other ones? Make piles that are dated or time related. So the top being the most, being the one that needs to be completed the first. This way you don't spend a lot of time, trying to figure out which one is next, which bag is it, where is it at, and you're not hard pressed to complete another project. Number 4 on the list is keep them organized by size. So this one can be a little silly if you think about it, but maybe if you did organize them by large, small in the same pile. So then you are working on a large project, but then the next project will be a smaller one. So you're not feeling overwhelmed. You get a quick win with the smaller projects, allowing you, you feel good about what you've accomplished and you can push forward and tackle that next larger project. And the last one, number 5, is designate a space just for your orphan projects. Know where they are, know what they are. Make it easy to quickly grab that project and start working on it when you do feel like it. Nothing is fun about digging through a bunch of fabric and supplies to find long lost projects. You can use a better organization method like the ones mentioned above after you find them their own spot. But the least you can do is have a spot specifically just for those projects. If you'd like to learn more about how to tackle those orphan projects and quilt blocks, you can visit patchworkposse.com and search for the Orphan Project Challenge. You get ideas, help, encouragement. You can move forward with those orphan projects. We have a week-long series featuring articles, the challenge, tracking sheets, all about orphan projects. Again, you can visit patchworkposse.com for those.